All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I finally got the X3 Pros in. Check the description down below. You'll see a 10% discount off on these right here. These are running you $69.99, and these are the X3 Pros. Didn't mean to do that. So you've got true wireless. You got the ear hooks in these, as you can see right here. 45 watts of battery life is claiming, and then Bluetooth 5.0, aptX, which is nice because you want to get the best sound quality, and IPX7. So these should be pretty cool. We're going to go ahead and crack these open. Now, if you're interested in what I'm using to record this video, this time I'm actually using the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE, the Fan Edition. I'm not using my regular camera. I wanted to go ahead and just get some use out of this phone. So this pipe slides open, aha, voila, a little tab over here. So before I open it up here, you can see you've got, it says 40 hours of full volume. Gotcha. You got IPX7, same thing, Type-C charging, and that's it. Let's crack them open. And this is a nice case it comes in. Big like I thought it was going to be, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. Let's get the rest of this out of the box here. And then we'll test these out in this video. Just some manuals and stuff down there. And then here, you've got probably the charging cable and extra tips. Yep, extra tips and charging cable. So we're going to pair these up after we take a look at the hardware some more. All right, let's put these right there. Close up the knife. Be careful with that. So just looking at the case, you've got a nice case. Here's the back. You see the Type-C cover there. Let's crack them open. And boom, here they are. They're set in there different than what I was expecting. So let's peel this off. This is to protect them so they don't, charge and run down the battery or power on during transit. Weird the way it looks in the case. So you power the case right there. You see the case has 4 bars. And you got left and right. Now we're going to grab a phone here. Let's grab the Pixel. We'll go ahead and go into settings. And I'll show you how these pair. And we'll go to connections and then Bluetooth. And let's pair a new device. And let's see if we can find them right away here. They should be in some kind of pairing mode. If not, I'll just power them on. I'll power on one of them. I can hear it come on. Let me put this in my ear real quick. Oh, there's the power. Yeah, there's the power. So now they're in pairing mode, and there they are right there. So I'm going to go ahead and press that. And put it in my ear real quick. Let's see here. Maybe I have to take them out of the case here. There we go. So it looks like the left might be the dominant. And then, yep. So this pair, the left is the dominant. And you can see how so in my ear, you can't hear anything, but they're both connected, it said. So that's good. Now I'm going to do a sound test, and I'll tell you how these sound in just a second. So I'll be back after I test these out. All right, guys, so it's actually another day. I decided to go ahead and just use these. You can see I still have it in right there. And good earphones, good quality. And I think that these are going to be impressive to use. Shaky cam production, by the way. I think these will be impressive to use especially for activities like working out and things like that, because I can tell that these aren't going to be as uncomfortable as my Sound Pros. I do have the Spirit X2 Sound Pros, and they look like this. So the Sound Pros are a little bit tight. They're a really tight fit. So these sound good. So again, this is just my first impressions, even though it's the next day from the unboxing portion. Yeah, one thing I don't like already is this case seems to be huge in my pocket, because when I'm wearing sweatpants or something like that, or shorts, this is big in my pocket, really big. But other than that, the sound quality is really good. I like how they feel. Nothing more, nothing less. This is a good set of earbuds. And remember to use that 10% off code below. No kickbacks to me or anything. It's just you get 10% off since I'm working with this company again. And they're willing to drop 10% off on their product if you decide to purchase it with that link below. So do so if you want to. But I really like them. I think they're comfortable. And I'll be continuing use with these for some time to come. In about a week or so, I'll follow up like I always do when I'm reviewing earbuds and headphones and stuff. So, quick video recap for you. Unboxing yesterday, today, the fit and finish for first impressions, and I'm impressed. We'll see how they hold up for the next week, though. See you in the next video. Take care.